pot pie. You can take over your leftover turkey from Thanksgiving, or chicken if you wanted to, and you're going to use carrots, onions, and gravy. Now, I made this gravy, and I do have a video on how to make gravy, but just by using the drippings from the turkey that you make and a little cornstarch. So be sure to watch that video to know how to make the gravy. Now, I have potatoes as well, and I put the potatoes in the microwave for about a minute or two at 50% power, and I have butter in the pan, and I am going to fry the potatoes and the onions together. And then when that's all done, I'm going to add the carrots and the gravy.